staying with the story, we're getting in breaking inputs as Maharashtra's Deputy CM Eknath Shinde has now criticized the Shiv Sena MLA Sanjay Gaikwad for allegedly assaulting a canteen staffer. Says beating someone is not right. Now remember, the Deputy CM's reaction comes in soon after the Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis criticized the action as well. And this, of course, as we all know, has come to the forefront. But Sanjay Gaikwad refuses to apologize. Rather, he's gone on to say that he's a warrior. Let's also listen in to what Eknath Shinde, the Deputy Chief Minister, has to say.
त्याला वांती आली, उल्टी हो गया वोमिट, तो वोमिटिंग हो गया और इसलिए उन्होंने गुस्से में आकर वो मारपीट की। उसका मैं समर्थन नहीं करूँगा और हम लोक प्रतिनिधि है, विधायक है, तो हमारी जिम्मेदारी है कानूनी कार्रवाई के लिए हमारे पास अधिकार है। तो अगर जिधर गलत होता है उसके ऊपर कानूनी कार्रवाई हो सकती है, लेकिन मारपीट करना ये उचित नहीं है।
All right, let's quickly go across to Mayuresh, who's been tracking that story for us. Mayuresh, now there's a collective criticism coming in from the Maharashtra establishment, including the Chief Minister and now the Deputy CM as well, also the head of his party. What has Sanjay Gaikwad got to say so far? Is he willing to offer an apology?
Gaikwad is still not apologetic, and what he basically stated in the morning to the media, he maintains that stand. And he said that I'm staying in this particular hostel since last 30 years, and similar food is getting served. I have warned them, but they didn't listen to me, and that's why I had to take this kind of action. So he is not apologetic about his action. Moreover, Maharashtra top leadership, that is Chief Minister as well as Deputy Chief Minister, both have condemned this kind of act and both have criticized it. But what action they have initiated? Because we heard Maharashtra CMs asking the chair to take the further action or to issue the further instruction, but no action so far has been taken against him. There is no legal complaint which has also been filed against Sanjay Gaikwad for his misconduct. So certainly, on one hand, Maharashtra government is criticizing whatever has happened, the action, especially Sanjay Gaikwad, which he undertook. But on the other hand, there is no action which has happened so far from the state government against Sanjay Gaikwad.
And that's a question which is inadvertently going to be asked, because remember, Mayuresh, as far as Sanjay Gaikwad is concerned, he is controversy's favourite child. He's been known to make threats of violence. In fact, he was also booked under the Wildlife Act last year. Take us through how he's consistently been courting controversy.
Let's take an example of last week only, where he was basically talking about the trial language policy, and he was giving an example of Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj. And while giving statement, he said that was Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj fooled that he was known many languages. So such kind of languages, if he is using for the great icons of Maharashtra, then you can imagine that how this person is basically, or what exactly is the track record of this person. Because earlier also he had made many controversial statements, and that's why it is basically evident to take action against this person, because this time he has not issued any statement or use a foul language, but he has hit a person, and that is also in front of camera. So you have a visual evidence of him hitting a person inside the MLA canteen.
Absolutely. This is indeed shameful for the current establishment in Maharashtra, given that they've been raising fingers at the MNS so far for all the vandalism plaguing the state. Thank you, Mayur.